Hey Rodney, how you doing today? My name is Devin, and you spoke my wife and my partner Mary yesterday. So I want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her. And then she also mentioned that you and your wife Connie run the business together. So I just thought that was pretty cool. That same thing with me and Mary. We run this business all by ourselves as well. So pretty cool right there. So I know you're probably busy, so I'm gonna try to be pretty quick and brief right here. So I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do to beat out tree services Sacramento. As you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Sacramento tree service, and they're also ranked down here in this organic listing section as well. Ranked right here. Sorry about that. Right here, third, right here on this homepage. So, and you guys can be there super easy as well. And I chose this keyword right here because as you see, it gets 720 searches a month. So definitely a high volume keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. But I'll talk about keywords here in a second. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these home pages right here. And all this would be your guys' content right here. And the reason behind this is because Google is not only thinking that this is going to keep clients on your page longer, but Google believes that the more content on these home pages is going to keep customers on Google longer, which ultimately allows them to sell these ads that they have listed here, ads listed here, and then as well as ads down here at the bottom of these pages right here. So Google's all about making money, so they're crawling websites, they're scanning these websites, seeing who has the best and most authoritative content to put them front and center on these front pages. Because as we know, the majority of customers are doing their shopping on this front page. Like I want to say it's about 70% of customers are only going through this first page when they're looking for services or really anything on Google, let alone going to the second, third, and fourth page. So Google knows the value of being on this home page, so they try to put the put the best people front and center right here. So equally important to content on these home pages is going to be keywords. So keywords is what I discussed earlier. Sacramento tree service is a keyword. So there's a bunch of local keywords that you guys want to be ranking for. And these are very important because having these on your home page will allow Google to let customers know that you guys do have this service right here. So putting in this keyword that gets 720 searches a month on your homepage, Google will actually rank you for this keyword, which will help you get up here on this front page when people are searching for these services. So, like I mentioned, there's a bunch of those out there. You just kind of want to find them. We can do some research to find those high volume keywords and make sure you guys are ranking for those keywords as well. So, the next thing I want to talk to you about today is called backlinks, and a backlink is basically another website that's linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But you want to make sure that it's relevant companies because Google will give you a lot more power for using other tree services or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut that's sending you powers back to your website because Google understands you don't make pizzas for a living, so they won't give you much credibility for that. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. As we see, you guys don't currently have any backlinks, and you don't have any websites that's giving you power basically. So this is basically what's driving your website. So those keywords is what's going to help you get ranked organically, and these backlinks is what's going to drive you power. So right now, currently, you don't have any power driving to your website, and you can also see the amount of keywords you guys are using right now. As we hop over here to the competitors, the Tree Services Sacramento, we see they have 118 different websites sending out treeservicessacramento.org a total of 187 times. And we see the amount of keywords they're using right here, which is helping them rank right now. So backlinks are very easy. What we can do is we can click on here and we can see exactly what websites that they have their business listed in. So if these was good enough to get them ranked, they'll definitely be good enough to get you ranked. So you want to come in here and you want to grab all these websites and then go submit your website link to these. So some of these are blog spots, so you have to create an account, leave a blog comment, and then just drop a link to your website at the end. Or some of these are directories, so you just create an account and then again just drop a link back to your website. So this is definitely something that needs to be done for your guys' website, and it'll definitely help get you guys ranked. So it's about 3 pages of these right here. So we definitely need to come in and basically go grab all of these for your company, but not only just grab these, you want to go out and get better backlinks to just really blow these guys out of the water. So With those two tips between the content keywords as well as backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listen section, which is everything under these maps right here. If you want to be ranked number one in this map area, we call it the GMB, the Google My Business, the Map Pack, whatever you want to call it. If you want to be first here, this has everything to do with citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business, such as like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys currently have 12 citations right here. Your competitor's Tree Services Sacramento has 35. So similar to backlinks, we can come in here, see exactly what directories these guys have their site listed in, and you want to go grab all of these for your website as well. And we always recommend, if they have 35 directories, I'd recommend going out getting 50 to 100 to just really blow these guys out of the water, because you don't want them to be able to catch you, and you want Google to know that you're the authority when it comes to being on this front page of Google. So that's all I have for you, Rodney. I try to be pretty brief and quick. I hope this information was useful and valuable to you. So quick recap: we went over content and keywords on this homepage, 1,500 to 2,000 words. Then we went over backlinks, going out, grabbing these backlinks, and then going out and getting more powerful and better ones as well. And then we talked about grabbing these citations, going out, copying these guys' directories, and then going out and getting more. So with those three tips, that's what's really going to help you dominate the game all across Google. And yeah, so that basically wraps it up for me. I'm trying to be quick right here. So again, my name is Devin. My partner's name is Mary. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885, and we'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.